We already know what's coming. America is getting older. Over the next 20 years, millions of Americans will become elderly. They'll be relying on canes and walkers. They'll be on medications that make them less stable on their feet. And they'll become less agile and less able to stop themselves from slipping on slippery floors and injuring themselves. Many of them will be walking on bathtubs and floors that at one point passed a safety test written by America's most trusted standards publishing institutions. But those standards, most of them have now been withdrawn. Now that the tile and the bathtubs have been installed. These tests gave manufacturers a way of saying that these floors had met some sort of safety test, but they weren't testing real world slip risk. They were just giving manufacturers a way of selling their floors. A simple slip can lead to a long hospital stay for these elderly Americans, and those hospital stays can lead to infections, loss of independence, and for many, death. A simple slip that was avoidable can lead to an elderly person's death. This is why I spoke with LA Weekly. My hope is that this article will start a conversation about the silver tsunami that's coming. We know it's coming, and we know we can do something about it. We can make those slippery tubs and floors not slippery so that we don't kill off our elderly people prematurely. Because now we know that all those slip tests that were published by the manufacturers of tubs and slippery tiles have either been withdrawn or changed or abandoned over the years. We can do something about it. I hope you'll read the LA Weekly article I did about this.